Control, Truck Alpha is secure at Bay 3. Acknowledged. Commencing unload sequence.
Steady now, keep the line moving. Watch your spacing back there.
The automated system is maintaining the water levels perfectly.
Yes, the bulls are responding well to the new station design.
Scan complete on Station 3.
Acknowledged. Send the data to the main server. We need to align this edge precisely before the machine starts.
The measurements look good according to the digital readout.
Did you check the stitching on the handbag? Yes, it passed inspection. The machine is ready for the next batch.